Welcome to the Weather Centre on Sunday, where we can expect a windy start to the day along the coast between Slunkop and Cape Agulhas, with a warning for gale force winds. We're expecting a bit of fog along the west coast, with a mostly cloudy day and isolated to scattered thundershowers over the interior, possibly extending through to the southern Cape coastline and through to the southern part of Gauteng. We're expecting some light rain or drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, with a cloudy and wet day along the east coast. In fact, there's even a watch for the possibility of heavy rainfall along the KZN coast and the adjacent lying interior, and there's a watch for the possibility of gale force winds offshore along the coast between Plettenberg Bay and East London. We're expecting up to an 80% chance of rainfall along the east coast, with scattered thundershowers over the interior part of the eastern and northern Cape. Isolated though as we head into the lighter shade of blue, with a 40% chance of light rain or drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, and there's a very slight chance of early morning showers in the southwest. You'll see a mild day in the northeast with highs in the low 20s for Gauteng. Cool for Ermelo though at 17 degrees, still warm for Phalaborwa at 24, and we're expecting a high of 21 for Bombela and Mahikeng. Cold for the Free State at 15 degrees for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. Cold under the cloud for the Eastern Cape with highs in the middle and upper teens, and you'll see a maximum of around 20 over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as along the Eastern Cape coastline, where we can expect a strong east-northeasterly wind. You'll see a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind along the east coast, with a high of 23 degrees for Richards Bay and Durban, and a 2.5 metre southeasterly swell at 9 seconds. We head into the low 20s for Graaff-Reinet, Somerset East and Beaufort West, but with a warm day over the interior part of the Western Cape. We're forecasting light winds in the southwest, with a moderate southerly wind for Muizenberg and more of a moderate easterly wind for Hermanus in the afternoon. Strong winds are forecast for Cape Agulhas, and then along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, we're expecting a predominantly easterly component to the wind, with fresh winds in the forecast, and we're expecting a 4 metre easterly swell at 9 seconds. 17 degrees is your high for Kimberley, cold for Colesberg at 16. We're expecting a dry forecast for Springbok at a warm 24, and Uppington tops 28 degrees. Light and variable winds are expected along the west coast, with a predominantly southwesterly wind for Cape Town in the afternoon, and a westerly wind for Lambert's Bay and Alexander Bay. We're expecting fog along the west coast, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell, and that's at 14 seconds. On Monday, we're expecting some morning rain for Cape Town and a high of 24 degrees, with thundershowers and showers from Uppington and Kimberley all the way through to the Eastern Cape, where we can expect another cloudy and wet day. You'll see light rain in the forecast for KwaZulu-Natal, and cloudy, wet and cooler weather in the forecast as we head towards the Lowveld. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Sunday.